folks. Well, today we are making a trip from Upper St. Andrew to Spanish Town. So currently we are in Constant Spring. Riding past Manor Center over there. We're going to go all the way down to Oaklands and then we make a right turn. We could actually turn here and go turn here. Just wait like sugar, brother. Alright, so we're heading I don't know if this is north, south or west, east, north, south, east or west on Constant Spring Road. But we're heading down towards Oakland, and then we take it on the boulevard. We could actually go through Blouse and Skirt, the place where we normally go. That we should do, you know. So we should do it, dog. We should chop it through around, so the Hamptons, and then we should chop it through, brother. Yeah. Bomba. A long time in a ride up there, no? There's some shot chop it through. And come down through Duane Park. That's all. Sure. But anyways. Yeah, look like little rain. They're down this side. And we see some car come up, windows closed. Windows closed and you know, wipers are moving on them thing there. Yeah, nothing reach me detect through the Roehamptons. Cha. On the boulevard, bro, and I say rain not today, bro. Blood fire. Rain that, bro, G. Bed. Like some rain did a sprinkle down here. I hope it ease up. Because them I come from this side where I go. Around them. Yeah. Fall and done or till a fall. Boot. Let me just say, I'm going to hold up the gas, brother. Till a fall, brother. Brother. Oh no. You think me that fall I get wet up? Oh no. Yo. Come on, fire pump here before they run with a fire pump. Brother. Beer. Back on the journey. But rain just mess with the progress, brother. Wet up the road and all these things. Eh?
Great check.
Yeah. Heading down on the Mandela Highway now. Front, hope there's no rain ahead because it looks cloudy up front. But yo! Are you hearing that today? Charge it. Well, seems like we're gonna get soaked, Chargy. Oh, Chargy. Oh, weird himself. Yo, Chargy. Oh, Chargy, we're gonna get soaked, Chargy. On our quest to make it to Spanish Town. We're gonna get soaked. My God, bro. sense at this point. It really doesn't. Go straight through. Makes sense, because right there's alone the rain then. You see? Just water the other so better. You see? No water. Out from the Mandela. No rain, no blah rain. That truck there cross over. Watch the traffic up ahead, you know. Watch out, that's a dry, brother. Truck are running in there. Be water in my shoes. Dry, bro. What's on my shoes? I'll be water drain off of my shoes. Be water drain out. I'll be water drain out of my shoes. What's that so dry, brother? On the road, just have to go and keep my distance. Alright, soon join in the back when we reach out, so. Oh, yes, so no. That's only again to another village. Central Village. I think like so. I think I saw what that's on here. Jose Marte High School. To the checkpoint. I went and put checkpoint there, so.
Wind up the windows! Alright, man, come over there!
The boy get one flash and dry seatbelt. Bombard! No, dog! This is not gonna work! Bombard! Bombard! Traffic to belong so. All of the traffic, that's what the bike life is for, man. Oh man, that truck is pretty like a Christmas tree. Oh, Reka.
They money take pride of their business.
What? Hey, truck with your friend. What?
Police are pretty sure the police don't use like a vehicle.
Hey! None of them.
We're start around the place and with some Benz and them now.
And some Crown, but the Crown them, they still not trust the Crown them neither. Wait, we'll go straight down to the roundabout.
Yeah.
Oh? Right, so far now. Yeah, so now they may take. I want going over this so. I'm back at Costa, me want go. Whoa, well, hey boy, I want him. Eh? Man, they look like one alien, man.